How interesting. Just look at that. No! Hello there. I hope those people in the Lambda lab can get this under control. You can't be serious. It can't get any worse than this. This is all within theoretical limits. A failure of this magnitude is extremely improbable. Excuse me, do you smell something burning? Absolutely. Stop asking that question. Do you recall any of those emergency survival procedures? There's something you should see. No! Let's go.
That'll look nice in my trophy room.
Hello and welcome to the Black Mesa Hazard Course.
Are you crazy?
Please advance to the next area. It helps to have a running start. I will see you just around the corner. No
Step
harm
off,
done.
buddy.
Glad to oblige you, fellas. Okay, I hope you know what you're doing. My God! You need medical attention right away. Are you insane? This is madness.
Hey, what did I ever do to you? Oh! It can't get any worse than this, can it? Hey, Mr. Freeman.
Greetings. I hope that odor isn't coming from you.
Geez, and I thought I had a long night. You look like hell. I don't suppose the day's gonna be any easier. Our luck has to change sooner or later.
I really don't know. Are you 100% sure that theory of yours is correct? I don't suppose you'd reconsider.
Any idea how many of our crew have died? I don't think so. I only take so much and no more. You think there's a cold beer for us at the end of all this? I would really like a cold one right now.
Administering medical attention.
Don't worry. This should make you feel better. What is that stench? Fascinating. Do you know who ate all the donuts? You are completely wrong. Shut up. Have I been that much of a burden?
Extreme damage detected. User dead imminent.
Get out of here! I predicted all of this, you know. All of it.
Hey, please, before I kill Amigo, I am warning you. Silence! Get in my ass! Oh, here! Acknowledged, but not. You are to be deactivated and terminated. Look at this!
Hey. Catch me later, I'll buy you a beer.
Roger that. Bastard! This is not Romeo and Juliet. Time to die, idiot. Goodbye, amigo. Accelerating termination.
Watch it with that thing.
All right. I seem... Whoa! Oh, no. Oh.
Ah!
Fat lot of good that PhD does me now,
Hey, eat this, you bastard! Ugh.
Ah, it's good to see you.
Man, see that shot?
I don't think I can last much longer.
Mr. Freeman. See you later.
Hello. Hold still. This won't hurt a bit. Let's go.
Gordon Freeman in the flesh. Or rather, in the hazard suit.